Now let's customize the visual design of your epicSnap review emails and rate order page. Like and subscribe so you never miss what's coming next at Epic Shops to help you sell more online. From the Settings section, click the Design tab. This section allows you to adjust colors and upload your logo so your review experience matches your store's branding. These settings apply to your review emails and your rate order page, depending on what you're customizing. First, set your header background color. Click the color selector and choose the background color for your review emails and rate order page headers. Select a color that aligns with your store's brand or email design. Next, choose your primary color. This controls the main background color used on the rate order page where customers leave their reviews. Then, select your accent color. This color is used for buttons in your emails and on the rate order page to highlight key actions. Next, set the star rating color. This determines the color of the rating star icons customers see. As a quick tip, choose a color that stands out clearly against your background so it's easy to see. Finally, upload your store logo. You can drag and drop your logo file into the upload area or click Browse to select a file from your device. Once added, your logo will appear in the preview. For best results, use a clear logo image and keep the height under 75 pixels so it displays well across devices. After finishing your design updates, click Save to apply your changes. Whenever you need assistance, just click the Get Help button at the top right of your screen. Epic has you covered. And if you'd like a demo or need additional support, feel free to email support@epicshops.com. Our team will be happy to help you get the most out of Epic.